Hello everyone. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect Opportrade to Kraken Exchange. For those who aren't familiar, Kraken is one of the largest crypto exchanges worldwide, and it's the first crypto exchange integrated with Opportrade. But why should you connect Opportrade to an external exchange? As mentioned in the Trading Bots tutorial, Opportrade is not a broker or an exchange. Instead, it's a tool that automates your strategies using trading bots by connecting to external brokers and exchanges, Kraken being one of them. If you're looking to start algorithmic trading with Opportrade on Kraken, I'll leave a link in the video description for you to create a Kraken account. Once you've opened a trading account on Kraken, connecting it to Opportrade is quite simple. First, log into the platform and go to your profile settings by clicking on your username, then the gear icon at the top right. Once you're in the settings, head over to the Wallets section. Here, you'll be able to connect an external broker to Opportrade. Next, click the Add New button at the top right. Give your wallet a name, for example, Kraken Wallet or My Kraken Wallet. Select Kraken as the broker. Now, you'll need to enter your API key and private key from your Kraken account, which are required by Opportrade to send orders to your Kraken account. To generate an API key and a private key, you'll need a Kraken Pro account. If you don't have one yet, I'll leave a registration link for Kraken in the description. Once you're logged into your Kraken account, to generate the API key and private key, go to the profile settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right. In the settings, navigate to the Connections and APIs tab and click on Create API Key. You'll need to name your keys, such as Opportrade. Then, you'll decide what permissions to grant to the keys. The permissions needed for Opportrade to connect to your Kraken account are Query open orders and trades, query close orders and trades, create and modify orders, cancel and close orders, query ledger entries. Additionally, you must enable the WebSocket interface by toggling it on. With these permissions, Opportrade will be able to connect to your Kraken account, place orders, track them, and potentially modify or cancel them. Remember, with these settings, Opportrade will not be able to withdraw or deposit funds from your Kraken account. API keys can only allow withdrawals or deposits if you grant those specific permissions. For security, we recommend never giving these permissions to your API keys. Now, you can generate your keys. After confirming your identity with two-factor authentication, a pop-up will appear with your keys. Keep in mind, once you close this pop-up, the keys will no longer be visible, so don't close it until you've copied and pasted both keys into Opportrade. You can copy them using the copy button next to each key. Paste your API key in the API key field on Opportrade and the private key in the private key field. As an extra security measure, Opportrade allows you to set an expiration date for your keys. After this period, we will permanently delete your keys from our database. Once deleted, trading bots using that wallet won't be able to communicate with the broker or place orders. If you plan to use your bot for a prolonged period, we recommend selecting Never. You can still manually delete the keys at any time. Now, just read and accept the Opportrade terms of use and save your wallet. Once saved, the system will try to connect to your Kraken account to verify the connection. You'll be notified if the connection is successful or not. If you make a mistake copying the keys, don't worry. Opportrade will automatically test the connection and notify you if there's an issue. After saving your wallet, the keys will be hidden and they'll be encrypted and stored in our database for added security. Going back to the wallet list, you'll see your new Kraken wallet at the top. In the Actions column, you'll find 3 important buttons. The first one allows you to edit the wallet settings. For example, if you want to change the keys, you can enter the wallet here. The second one tests the connection. Clicking this will have Opportrade recheck the connection so you can be sure your wallet is ready to be used by a trading bot. The third one deletes the wallet. If you delete the wallet, the keys will be immediately removed from our database as well. Great. Now you're ready to connect your Kraken account to Opportrade and start using it to activate your first trading bot. What are you waiting for? Click the link in the description, create your Kraken account, and connect it to Opportrade.